India was not just limited to fun or sightseeing, but also enriching and meaningful at the same time. And the most prominent aspect of the excursion was culture. By staying with the host family, I was able to have closer look at the Indian culture and lifestyle. And also we were given the opportunity to interact with Indian students, and my friend and I gave presentation concerning tuberculosis, which is a global infectious disease. And by doing so, we raised awareness. And I thought this was very crucial because India is a very large country and advancing at a very rapid rate. Hence, increasing awareness is an utter importance. Also, we were able to listen to diverse opinions and facts and situations in India. For instance, when we stayed in Delhi, we went to the Zambian embassy, whereby the Zambian ambassador briefed us about the situation of TB in both India and Zambia, which again raises the awareness, and he reminded us once again that TB is not just a simple disease found in just one country, but rather a very serious disease affecting the entire globe. In conclusion, I would like to say that this trip was very meaningful and inspiring, and thank the green contributors for providing us with such wonderful opportunities.
A very enlightening experience for me because my grandparents are originally from India, so they grew up there. They were born and raised there before they came to Zambia. So I was very curious and expectant to see the Indian lifestyle and the Indian culture and how it differs to my own back home. This trip really exceeded all my expectations because it allowed me to immerse myself in Indian culture through staying with the host family. We also visited many historic sites which also deepened my understanding of Indian history and Indian culture. For example, we went to Mahatma Gandhi's ashram, which plotted out his whole life, and it showed us how India gained independence, which again was very enriching. We also went to the Taj Mahal, one of the world's wonders. It was one of the most beautiful things I have ever seen. And the story behind it was really inspiring about how Shah Jahan built it for his wife Mumtaz. It had a profound impact on me. It was beautiful and really awe-inspiring. So my trip to India overall was an amazing experience and I wouldn't trade it for anything.
The days we spent in India were thoroughly enjoyable. I think that when Green Contributor and the International School of Lusaka decided to organize this trip, they made a very good choice. When we first arrived, we were gladly welcomed by students from DPS Bhopal and their teachers. All of us were impressed by their kindness and friendliness. We made new friends at the school and finally got to meet the families who were hosting us. We all made new friends and received lots of presents. I'm glad that I had the opportunity to visit this great country and to take part in Green Contributors' efforts to make a greener planet. I think that there are so many ways to make a greener planet and that you have to work hard to achieve your goals. We are all very happy to be considered global ambassadors for climate change and most of all awarded trophies for our efforts. I hope that our whole delegation will continue to make the change that is required to make the earth a better place to live.
Mother Earth itself. So we have to look after it.
This is a Romicide production.